Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Today we're kicking off the first day of vlogmas. We'll see if we end up doing the rest of it. And what are we making today?
Candies.
GRINCH Rice Krispie Treats.
Krispy treats.
Are you so excited? I have a very special guest. What's your name?
There is
And who's this?
flashlight.
This is our friend Flashlight.
Flashlight.
So, let's tell them what they need for the GRINCH Rice Krispies. Can you tell them? What are these?
Hearts.
Hearts. We need some heart candies. Okay, cool. Put them over here. And what is this?
Pan.
A pan. And what is this? Measuring bowl. And what is this?
Butter.
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 And what are these food colorings?
Green. Yellow.
Good.
What are those?
Because what color is the Grinch?
Green.
Good. And what are these?
Cereal.
Cereal. Rice Krispies cereal. And what are these?
Marshmallows.
You want one?
Yeah, yum.
They're yum. Awesome. Let's get to it.
Can I have these right here? These many?
4?
Yeah, 4.
You want 4 Rice Krispies?
Those are not Rice Krispies. Those are marshmallows. Start out.
We're going to do half a cup of butter. Say half cup of butter. Over medium-high heat.
High heat.
Okay, and remember this is hot. You don't touch that anymore, okay? Okay? Can you put the butter in there? Whoop! Bye, butter.
One. Another one.
Just a little bit more.
That's a little bit.
Okay? Say
Melt.
Now we're going to wait for this to melt.
Melt.
To melt? Well, let's just do a little bit more. Never hurt anything, right?
Why is it melting?
We love butter.
No, I don't.
Huh?
No, I don't. This side.
You don't like butter?
No.
You don't like butter?
No
Oh my gosh.
butter.
Paris.
No butter.
No butter. Did you want a couple of these?
One, these.
How many? Show me. 4? Okay. Count.
1.
No. Too close to the burner. How many do you have?
2.
Count them. How many do you have?
1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, I think we're a little off.
Huh?
Count them again.
All right, look.
We're going to wait for this butter to melt, and we'll see you in a minute. What are you doing?
Cheese. There's marshmallows.
Oh, goodness. Can you stir it for me?
Uh-huh.
Now, while we're waiting for our butter to melt, we'll go ahead and spray a pan. My favorite product ever. Beep! How's our butter doing?
Get real melty.
Getting real melty. Awesome. I think that looks good. What do you think? Nice and melty.
Warm.
Watch out, bud. Remember, that's hot, okay? Next, we're going to add in...
Can I dump some in there?
Yep. Here, hold on. Let's see. How many marshmallows do we want? 6 cups?
6.
Or, yeah, let's say 6 cups. There we
Yay!
go. 4. And let's do... Oh.
Oh, marshmallow. It's marshmallow.
Yep. 6 cups. Ready? Go. Nice job. You dropped a marshmallow?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I can stick around.
And we're going to stir it. Okay. Do you think while you stir, I can add some food coloring?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you want to add the food coloring?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
On the yellow.
Okay.
On that.
Actually, let's do green first, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna add, squeeze it in.
It's making it black.
All right, stop it for just a second. Cool. Is that green?
I'm in green.
You want more green?
I'm yellow.
Hold on, I think we need more green. The reason we're adding so much green is because you want to get it pretty dark, and then you want to add that yellow back in because the Grinch is a type of neon. He's very unique. Okay, here, ready?
I'll make blue.
The yellow and green doesn't make blue, bub.
Okay. Make it black.
Nope, it's green. Okay? Here. Gotta keep mixing.
That, me turn. Me.
Hold on.
Green.
Green.
Green, black.
Green.
On
All right, stir. Stir. Stir, stir, stir. Pew. Wow. Are those awesome? So we have 1 tube of green on.
Can I lick it?
Can you lick it? Yeah, in just a minute, okay?
Guys.
Yes. And I have turned the heat down to about a 6, just because I don't want the marshmallows to burn. And here's, okay, back up just a little, bub. This is the color we're looking at right now. Kind of like Nickelodeon slime.
Can I look at my flashlight?
Yeah, you can look at it with your flashlight. Oh, wow. How does that look? We're going to add just a squeezy yellow.
Can I stir?
Yep, stir please. Stir please. Oh, Harris, that looks amazing. Can I stir? No?
My mom's stirring.
Oh, you're stirring? Oh. Okay, ready? Oh. Oh my gosh, does that look like the Grinch?
That's not Grinch.
That's the Grinch!
Grinch, bro. That's Grinch.
That's Grinch. Christmas.
Christmas time Grinch. Grinch.
They call him the Apple Grinch because they think that the onion is an apple.
Apple Grinch.
It's onion Grinch, bud.
Onion Grinch.
Okay, so now we have this color. It's kind of like a more
I'll make it black.
neon green.
I'll
All right,
make it green.
we're going to turn it off, okay? And we're going to go back over there to add our Rice Krispies, okay?
Okay.
Say, see you in 1 minute.
See you in 1 minute, Pan.
Pan? Toot. Okay, can you give it a stir?
Uh-huh.
You stir it for me.
Apples, just like the apples.
Just looks like Apple Grinch.
It's my apples move. Hey, I like apples. Smells good.
Smells yum. So now since we have all of our goodies in this pan, all of our marshmallows and butter, we're going to put, let's start with 8 cups of Krispies, and then the recipe will be in the bio below, just in case we add some more just for whatever reason. Okay, can you pour them in here? Good job.
Yum!
Yum. Yum. Okay, we're gonna need some more. Let's do, yeah, we'll just go ahead and do 8 cups total. Okay, go ahead. Yum.
Apple Grinch.
Apple Grinch.
The scary Apple Grinch.
Scary Apple Grinch.
Happy. I'll open it.
Okay, in just 1 minute.
Okay. What? Can I eat it?
In just 1 minute.
Okay.
Are we making a mess?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Got. Your hands are green. Green.
delicious. Also, if you wanted to turn these into little Christmas wreaths or Christmas trees, this is like absolutely how you would do the same thing. Okay, bud, 1 minute. We need our pan. Yeah, can you give me 1 minute? We need to put all of our Krispies in the pan.
Look at my butt. Oh no! Don't look at my butt, so dude.
What's happening?
What?
What?
No.
What? There's so many Rice Krispie treats, Harris.
I'm free.
Do you think we made a lot?
I want to open it.
Mm-mm-mm.
I want to open it.
Okay, 1 minute.
This is
Rice and cakes?
You make an apple Grinch partner. It's a treat.
You want to try it? Is it good? Okay. We're going to move that to the side. We made a wee bit of a mess, have we? Did we make a mess, Harris? Maybe like a little mess? No? Maybe not? Okay. Next. You can either butter your hands. I'm just going to spray my hands. I'll take these off real quick.
Can I open these?
In 1 minute.
Try spraying your hand.
So I can push my crispy treats in the pan.
Not onto.
And they won't stick to my hands. Awesome.
Can I smash them?
Well, now I need you to put hearts on them.
Okay.
So we know that the Grinch's heart was 3 times too small. So, what did we get? Little hearts.
Oh.
Little hearts. Let's try our crispy treats. Mmm.
I want one.
Delicious.
Can I have one?
You see that glove right there? Look at me. Look at me. Right there.
Okay.
Right there.
Here.
No. Right here.
Here.
No.
Warm. Nice and warm.
It's warm. Here you go. Here you go. There you go. Now let me get you a tiny bowl.
Ah!
Harris, why do you love the Grinch so much?
I love him.
You love him? Why?
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, hey.
Okay. Here's your hearts. You can like put them on and push them in. But let's wash our hands real quick, okay? Okay. A little soap. Oh my gosh! It looks so good! Harris, wow! Look, just like sprinkle them on.
Let's smash them together.
Look, and then you can just like gently push them on there. There you go.
Oh,
All right.
red again.
Oh, not red again. What are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Watch me being pink.
Okay. Harris, I gotta ask you a question. Who's your best friend?
Yeah, see?
Is that right?
My sleeves up.
You're rolling your sleeves down.
Down.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Do you love cooking? What's your favorite thing to cook? Noodles, mashed potatoes. What do you like?
Green beans.
Oh, green.
You like green beans? Uncle Will does?
Uncle Will does like green beans.
And Gigi?
And Gigi, she likes green beans too.
Eddie.
Are these fun? Were these fun to make?
You want to sit?
You want me to sit? Okay, hold on.
I want to.
You want to eat one?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Put the rest of the sprinkles on.
Okay.
Oh, good job. All right, let's cut. Are you ready? Oh, a Grinch crispy treat.
Honey spoon. I'll cut it. Can you cut it for me?
All right, can I sit with you? Okay. Try a bite. Pick it up. Ready? Are those good? What do you think? What do you think? Are they so good? Are they delicious? Do we have so many Grinch treats? Can you say thanks for watching?
Cut.
Hey, can you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Give him a wave. Blow him a kiss. See you later.
Get hug.